Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on Midea air conditioner remote control. Okay, and it is simple. Just look at the back of your remote control and then you will find out the battery cover here. Press this one and take it out and you will see two sides of the battery inside. Now take out one by one. Okay, and you need some tool to take it out because it's a little bit deep inside the remote control. So now use this tool to take it out. And another side. Just press on the side that don't have the spring. So if you press on the spring, you cannot push it out. Okay, you see that. And now insert the new battery to the same location. You can see the guideline here. Put the battery in that position. And then insert back the cover. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the battery on Midea air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.